Yes! So straightforward. That's how you do it. So the scramble is very nice. I did a yellow cross, and I can preserve this pair. And as I preserve this pair, I look ahead into these two pairs. So I'll start like this, then immediately do that. And then suddenly I rotate to see this pair, and then saw this edge. And I recognize the case because of these two blocks on the left. I don't have to do YouTube to recognize it. And then out of the blue, I looked at the right side of the cube before the case went up to me, and I did a U, then did an RU. Really nice solve.